Hey everyone. So I was going over my videos, and since most of my videos are from Wet and Wild, I noticed that there's just one of when they came out with these big 8 pans that I never really used this side right here. So I decided to do these 3 colors right here, and that's what I'm doing for today. And I even used my coverall. Since I have no reason to use purple, I just used that as a base color. And I also put white on top. It's a pearly, like, white color. It's mostly for highlighting. So everyone in my family had pink eye over the holidays. I'm the only one who didn't. But my eyes hurt so bad. I'm not sure what's going on. Anyway, I started out with this beautiful, it says it's a definer color, but that color is like too beautiful to just use as a definer color. I'm using it as the lid color. Well, it's frosty, it's shimmery. And then I'm going to put the crease color, which is this purple one right here. I realize that sometimes, because I'm old and senile, I forget to buy a vitamin. I use a lot of vitamins, and I forgot to get biotin. I realized that during the holidays, and because my nails were really not growing, and so I got biotin, and my nails are like really growing. I've been wrapping them. Only ones that seem to keep breaking on me are the ring fingers, but everything else. So between the biotin and the fiberglass wraps, yeah, it's working really nicely. I'm probably gonna have to cut them down. So I'm gonna take the color that says eyelid color, and it looked pretty sheer. So that's why I put that white there, to see if it'll pick up the colors. I was having a hard time getting the color, so I'm just gonna put that up here. That's nice. It's like a sheen. It's got like a nice sheen to it. And then I'm gonna take that white color on top, and since I really don't have inner tear duct area, I'm just gonna get that right there in the inner corner right there. You really can't see it that well, but just kind of blend that out a little bit, just to brighten up the area, bring it out a little more since my eyes are so deep set. And then I'm gonna go into this definer color. It's like a charcoal. It goes on. It looks charcoal because of all the silver, but it comes off black. And I'll put that. See, it just comes off black. I'm probably gonna go over it with a pencil and do it again, but I just wanted to give you an idea. So when I finish my eyes and my contouring and all that, I will come back on camera to do the blush. Since I'm using purples, I decided to go with the burgundy and gold. And I got my lippies from the Rose. I just love Rose. Okay, let me finish doing my eyes, and I'll be right back. Okay, so let's try the burgundy. Ooh, that's strong. I don't know if you can tell. No matter what mascara I wear, it just goes down. I don't know what I'm doing wrong. Let's try the highlighter. I'm going to use this one for the nose. Ooh, that's strong. That's pretty though. It's like a a gold with burgundy shimmers. Let's use this one for the cheeks. Yeah, that is really strong. Wow. Alright, let's use the face powder. Gotta blend it all in together. Okay, so one is glossy. I don't know if you can tell. One has a matte cap and one has a glossy cap. So I'm gonna go with, this is Call Me Baby. It's a velvet. Smells good too because it's rose. And I'm going to top it off with the glossy one, XOXO. So the gloss, when I was trying it out on my hand, it was a little sheer, so I don't know, I think it's best to mix it with the lipstick. So anyway, this is the finished look. And so next week I'll probably do another Wet n Wild look with one of their older palettes that I haven't got to use yet. So, and I'm gonna finally, as this color washes out, I don't know if you could really tell, but I like this color mixing the mauve with the urban mauve with the smoky violet. This is the color with it, you know, faded and whatnot. This is the color that the original one was. I don't know, it was L'Oreal or something, and it like washed out in one shampoo. That's the color it was. I like this, but already my silver is washing out. So I mean, washing out is growing out, and most likely for Valentine's Day I'm gonna start the bleaching process again. And do my dream, which is to have rainbow hair. So, okay, I will see you guys next week. Bye. Mwah.